WOW. This unusual means of transportation was originally built for personal use as a high-speed motor vehicle. WOW still fulfills this function, but has been slightly improved and mass-produced. The large distance between the front wheels and the rigid suspension guarantee good stability on the road. The sports steering wheel and the special brake levers provide excellent control even at high speeds and instant braking. The machine is easily disassembled, so repairing any part won't be a problem. Also, if you have to replace a certain spare part, it won't be expensive. The standard version of WOW can be adjusted to the length of the pilot's body from 5 to 6.2 feet, choosing the most optimal position. Scubster. This unique mini submarine has a 10-foot-long body made of carbon fiber and has a capacity for one person in the cabin. According to the developers, this compact submarine weighs 66 pounds and can descend to a depth of 200 feet. The machine is equipped with 2 propellers, each of which is controlled independently by a special steering system. This underwater vehicle is powered by a pair of 10-kilowatt electric motors, each powered by 2 15-kilowatt lithium-ion battery packs. The total capacity of the batteries will ensure a trip of 2 hours, and the submarine can reach a speed of 5 miles per hour. The range of the boat can be increased, adding additional compartments to its hull, which can also be used to transport equipment or any other cargo. The authors of the project hope that the electric submarine Scubster Nemo would be an excellent solution for scientists and researchers of the ocean, rescuers, coast guards, military, and simple lovers of extreme leisure. Atlas. On July 11, 2013, the US Helicopter Society awarded AeroVelo a prize for the development of this helicopter powered by muscle traction. To receive the prize, the vehicle had to meet the following requirements: stay in the air for at least 60 seconds, and reach a height of at least 10 feet from a horizontal takeoff within an area of 30 by 30 feet. According to the co-founder of the AeroVelo company, Cameron Robertson, the vehicle was designed for a pilot of less than 160 pounds, which can generate a power of approximately 1 horsepower. The device, despite weighing only 115 pounds, has an impressive dimensions, 190 feet horizontally. In addition, it's equipped with 4 huge symmetrical propellers. Snowbird. This vehicle was developed in Canada and is known as an ornithopter, since it allows flying thanks to the movement of the wings. The plane flies precisely thanks to these movements, and not to the work of a propeller or engine. The plane weighs 93 pounds and is made of carbon fiber, foam, and cork. The size of the ornithopter is 105 feet, and to fly, the peculiar snowbird ship is driven by a vehicle which performs the function of a tractor, but once in the air, the ornithopter flies by itself. The movement of the wings is controlled by a pilot who turns the pedals. On the test flight, the vehicle traveled a distance of almost 750 feet at a speed of 15 miles per hour. Taniwha Sub. This submarine, developed by students at the University of Auckland, is controlled by a pilot who turns the pedal mechanism and activates the machine. Since the submarine is not equipped with an air supply system, the pilot breathes with the help of a diving system. The submarine is 10 feet long, it's made of fiberglass and weighs 132 pounds, which is the equivalent of an ordinary bicycle. To turn on the boat, the pilot must lie on his stomach and start pedaling, after which the upper and lower fins begin to move, pushing the boat forward. The coordinator of the design team ensures that this vehicle can move faster than some motorboats of the same size. Project manager Ian Anderson said that Taniwha can go faster than some similar-sized propeller submarines. Elf. This car was created by American company Organic Transit. Its main characteristic is being more like a bicycle than a car, thanks to the presence of pedals. However, it also has an electric motor, and a full charge of the batteries allows traveling up to 30 miles. Elf drivers can choose which road to follow. According to the plan of the developers, the electric motor is designed to climb uphill, or for particularly weak users who do not have the power to pedal. Elf batteries can be charged not only using a power socket, but also with the help of solar panels installed in the vehicle chassis. Interestingly, you do not need a driver's license to operate this vehicle. This allows the vehicle to be used by a large number of people, those who do not give much importance to speed or comfort, but who want a cheap car to be transported. Rupert Archaeopteryx. The main feature of this unusual craft is its low weight, 120 pounds in the open version and 135 in the closed version, as well as several forms of takeoff and landing. The flight control is carried out with the help of specially adapted side levers and pedals. The wingspan of the plane is 45 feet, the weight of the takeoff can reach 420, and the speed can reach 80 miles per hour. The Archaeopteryx can raise if the pilot drives it with his feet from a slope, if it receives the help of a moving vehicle, if connected to a glider with a winch, or if it has an electric motor that gives a boost to the movement of the machine. In the last two options, the launching of the paraglider does not necessarily take place from a slope. It is possible to do it on an absolutely even surface. The plane is equipped with a small chassis to land at low speed. There is also an option to land with the legs, but to do so, you must have a good experience in flight and maneuvers in the air. Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.